If you're looking for a Christmas tree that is super cute and really fast to put up, then this is definitely it. Came in 3 sections, so it was super fast to put together. You just plug in the lights in the top section, into the second section, and then into the bottom as well. And you can see how cute this turned out. You just fluff up the branches, put all of your decorations on there. There's a little button on the plug, so if you press that, you can change from just plain white to multicolored, or you can do the soft glow, or you can do that in color, or you can have multicolor and then it will flash the white, or it will flash the multicolor. So lots of different options with the lights as well, fast flashing. I just prefer the standard white light, but I think this is so cute. This is going to be great for a small space or a large space. It also came with a pair of gloves, so it made it really easy to put together without scratching your hands or anything like that. I am just loving this. I think it looks really, really cute. It's going to add to any Christmas spirit in the house. I was compensated for this. I hope it helps.